Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Aaron.
And this is the day in my life at Thomas A. Edison CTE High School.
In the morning, I check the student app to see what's happening that day. The website and app help students stay connected to the events in our community.
The people are what makes Edison special. Seeing and greeting everyone around me always seems to brighten my day. It's such a welcoming community.
My shop is auto body collision repair. I love the hands-on work and learning how to fix a car. It's a great trade to know even if I don't make it my career.
My shop class is graphic design. I get hands-on experience learning how to use Adobe Creative Suite. This year, we're using Illustrator. These skills help me build my resume, but also give me a chance to express myself creatively.
Math is my favorite subject, and I want to work in finance in the future. AP Stats gives me an academic head start and credits for college.
It's my junior year, so I am meeting with the college counselor, Miss Manaya, to help plan my path after high school. Edison has a lot of resources to help students succeed at whatever they want to do in life.
Peer group connection. PGC is an opportunity for seniors to help freshmen transition to high school life. We meet with our groups once a week every Wednesday. Today, we are learning appropriate ways to respond to complicated questions that our freshmen might ask. As a senior, it's been fulfilling to give back to the school and help students make the most of their time here.
Lunchtime is fun because we get to hang out and catch up on the day. Today, the head of the Edison Light newspaper is interviewing me about homecoming and why it's special to me as the head basketball manager.
Sometimes Principal Ojeda also stops by lunch. The administration here isn't intimidating. We're all part of the same community.
Here, ELA is not just a regular English class. You can take unique courses like storytelling
or drama.
In storytelling class, I get to work on my public speaking and writing skills in a creative environment. Today, we used origami to understand the emotional relationships in the book that we're reading. Storytelling has helped me with interviews, internships, and starting our animal rescue club, Paw Patrol.
I love drama because it's a way to express myself and become a better public speaker. As president of the Black Student Union, I sometimes run our meetings and I don't get nervous. One of the most impactful programs we have here is Student Input Committee with Principal Ojeda. This committee is an opportunity for students to share what matters most to us. Principal Ojeda always listens and helps to implement changes throughout the school.
At Thomas Edison, it isn't a one-way relationship. Students, teachers, and staff all work together to make this school an amazing place to learn and grow. After school today, we're having a basketball game. As a basketball manager, I have a list of responsibilities that I have to get done. After I set everything up, the game begins. It's one of the best days of the year because it's homecoming and everybody gathers together to support the team and celebrate the school. I feel lucky to be a student at Thomas Edison. I have grown so much in my time here. Even if I'm having a bad day, when I walk through those doors, the people around me always seem to uplift my mood.
It's been an amazing experience to be a student here. I feel ready for college, but I'll definitely miss what makes Edison special, the people.